Modern factories operate with precision, technology, and innovation to create the products we use every day.
To our factory. I'll show you exactly how latex balloons are made, from raw materials to the finished product. Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
The manufacturing of latex balloons begins with carefully sourced natural latex and coloring materials.
Every batch is rigorously inspected to meet strict quality and safety standards.
Materials are stored under controlled conditions to ensure consistency in every balloon. The first preparation step purifies the natural latex for balloon production. Advanced filtration ensures only perfectly clean latex moves forward.
The project's region remains long.
Color pigments are blended precisely to achieve consistent balloon shades. Color pigments are blended precisely to achieve consistent balloon shades. This step ensures every balloon stretches evenly and inflates safely.
Carefully controlled heat prepares the latex for shaping.
With preparation complete, the latex moves to the heart of balloon production. Precise weighing and measuring ensure every batch of latex balloons meets exact formulation standards. Precise weighing and measuring ensure every batch of latex balloons meets exact formulation standards.
Automation controls ingredient ratios to maintain balloon consistency, elasticity, and color accuracy.
Powerful mixers blend the latex into a perfectly uniform balloon compound. Technicians continuously monitor latex texture and elasticity during mixing. Technicians continuously monitor latex texture and elasticity during mixing. Technicians continuously monitor latex texture and elasticity during mixing. Technicians continuously monitor latex texture and elasticity during mixing.
Every balloon production parameter is monitored in real time for precision and safety.
Once mixed, the latex moves seamlessly to the core balloon forming stage.
This is the heart of the factory, where liquid latex begins transforming into balloons.
Carefully controlled heat determines the strength, thickness, and elasticity of each balloon.
Carefully controlled heat determines the strength, thickness, and elasticity of each balloon.
Curing allows the latex to mature, locking in elasticity and durability.
Approved materials are stored under controlled conditions to maintain consistency throughout production.
Each raw material is thoroughly inspected to ensure it meets strict quality and safety standards.
The manufacturing of natural latex balloons begins with the arrival of carefully selected raw materials.
Curing allows the latex to mature, locking in elasticity and durability. Advanced machinery forms and releases each balloon with remarkable precision.
Advanced machinery forms and releases each balloon with remarkable precision.
Robots and human expertise work together to ensure every balloon meets exact standards.
After forming, the balloons move forward for final finishing and preparation.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the structure and elasticity of each balloon.
Drying and curing remove excess moisture and strengthen the final balloon.
Surface finishing improves appearance, smoothness, and durability.
Surface finishing improves appearance, smoothness, and durability.
Final touches ensure every balloon meets premium quality standards.
Once finished, the balloons are ready for packaging. The finished balloons are accurately counted and packed for distribution. Labels ensure traceability and product identification.
Before leaving the factory, every balloon undergoes a final quality inspection.
sampling ensures consistent balloon quality across every batch.
Random sampling ensures consistent balloon quality across every batch.
Laboratory testing confirms balloon safety, performance, and durability. Every balloon must meet strict regulatory and industry standards before approval.
Before approval.
Only fully approved balloons are cleared for distribution.
Only fully approved balloons are cleared for distribution.
Approved balloons are now ready for storage and shipment.
Finished balloons are stored in climate-controlled warehouses to maintain quality until shipment.
Advanced inventory systems track every balloon for accuracy and efficiency. Carefully prepared and loaded for safe transportation. From here, balloons are delivered to celebrations around the world.
From raw materials to the final product. Precision, technology, and human skill come together to create products we use. This is the heart of our production line. Each of these cartons represents hours of precision and
balloons
care.
are made, from raw materials to the final product. Precision, technology, and human skill come together to create products we use every day.
Subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory journeys.